In today's video, I will walk you through how to create files and folders in Replit. Managing your project is much easier when your files and folders are organized. In Replit, you can create new files, add folders, move items around, manage existing files, and view hidden system files directly from the Files sidebar. On the left side of your Replit workspace, you will see your project name along with the files tree. This is where you can create and organize everything in your project. To create a new file, look at the top of the Files sidebar and click the New File icon. This icon looks like a page with a plus sign. After clicking it, type the name of your new file, including the correct file extension. For example, you can create a file named script.py, styles.css, or index.js. Once you've entered the file name, press Enter. Replit will immediately create the file and open it as a blank file in the editor. When naming your file, remember that the file extension determines how Replit formats your code. For example, a file ending with .py uses Python formatting, while a file ending with .html uses web structure formatting. If you want to create a folder instead, click the New Folder icon beside the New File icon. The folder icon has a plus sign on it. Type the folder name you want to use, such as src, images, or components, then press Enter. Your new folder will appear in the Files tree and will be ready to store your project files. After creating your files and folders, you can organize them using drag and drop. Click and hold the file or folder that you want to move. Drag it over the destination folder until that folder becomes highlighted, then release your mouse. The item will be moved into that folder. If you later want to move a file back to the main project directory, click and drag the file to the project name at the top of the Files tree, then release it there. The file will be moved back to the root directory. You can also manage files and folders using the context menu. Hover over any existing file or folder and click the three vertical dots, or simply right-click the item. This opens a menu with several options. Select Rename if you want to change the file or folder name. You can also change the file extension using this option. Choose Delete if you want to permanently remove the selected file from your cloud workspace. If you want to save a copy of a file on your computer, select Download. This exports the selected file directly to your local device. Instead of creating a blank file, you can also choose Upload. This allows you to add existing code files or media assets from your computer directly into the selected folder. By default, Replit hides certain system files to keep the workspace clean. If you need to view these files, go to the top right corner of the File sidebar and click the three dots menu. From there, enable the Show Hidden Files option. Once this setting is turned on, hidden system files will become visible. These include the .replit file, which controls what the main run button does, and the replit.nix file, which contains the system-level package manager configuration. That's how you create files and folders, organize your project, manage existing items, and view hidden system files in Replit. Thank you for watching.